My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining us with more details on this. Shreya, after numerous deaths across the nation due to cough syrups, now the centre has also taken note of the situation and will be chairing a meeting with the states and union territories.
Well, the meeting is actually scheduled at 4 p.m. So anytime now we will get an official confirmation on the meeting beginning, because it is the Union Health Secretary who will be interacting with all the health secretaries of several states and UTs, along with the principal secretaries and the drug controller. Two specific reasons and topic for the discussion will be the quality of drugs, what would be the way forward to monitor quality of drugs in respective states, and apart from that, the rationale that needs to be used when prescribing cough syrups, their compositions, etc. All this will be discussed in today's meeting clearly, and probably after this meeting we'll definitely be seeing more countrywide unified measure being applied, because clearly the entire cold reef killer cough thing, we are right now finally seeing the central government also taking cognizance of the matter. We will also in days to come see more stringent action being taken against the manufacturer of cold reef, because already the doctors and the middlemen who were responsible for bringing the drug to the customers, they have already been booked in Madhya Pradesh, is what we're given to understand.
All right, Shreya, thank you for getting us those details.